In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design posters in Canva like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create clean, professional, print-ready posters using the same design principles that experienced designers use. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the export settings that can make or break your final result. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. Step 1 is starting with the right size. Open Canva and click on Create a Design in the top right corner. In the search bar, type Poster. Canva will show you multiple size options, but for professional printing, I recommend choosing standard sizes like 18 by 24 inches or 24 by 36 inches. These are industry standard poster sizes and work perfectly for events, promotions, and wall displays. Choosing the correct size at the beginning ensures your design won't lose quality when printed. Next, pick a professional template. Go to the left sidebar and click on Templates. In the search bar, try keywords like Modern Poster, Minimalist Poster, Event Poster, or Sale Poster, depending on your goal. Templates instantly give you a professional layout with proper spacing, alignment, and typography. Even experienced designers use templates as a starting framework. Choose one that matches your style and message, then click to apply it to your canvas. Now let's talk about strong visual hierarchy, which is what separates amateur designs from professional ones. Every poster should have a clear structure. Your headline should be the largest element on the page. This is what grabs attention first. Your subheadline should be medium-sized and support the main message. Then your details like date, time, location, or website should be the smallest. Make sure someone can understand the main message of your poster in less than 3 seconds. Resize text by selecting it and adjusting the font size at the top. Step 4 is using high-quality images. If your template already includes an image, click on it to replace it with your own or choose one from Canva's Photos tab. Always use high-resolution images to avoid pixelation. You can also adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation by clicking Edit to make the image blend better with your design. Next, apply professional color combinations. Click on the Colors panel in the top toolbar. Scroll down to Photo Colors, and Canva will automatically generate color palettes based on your image. This keeps your design cohesive. You can also explore built-in palettes like Warm Modern or Bold Pop for different modes. Try to stick to 2 to 4 colors maximum to keep your poster clean and visually balanced. Now let's improve the layout using shapes. Professional designers use shapes to guide the viewer's eye and create contrast. Go to Elements, then Shapes. Add rectangles behind text to create contrast blocks, use circles or lines for accents, or add a rectangle overlay on top of an image and reduce the transparency to around 20 to 40% to make text easier to read. This small trick instantly makes your poster look more polished. Consistency is key in professional design. Use the same font family throughout your poster. Avoid mixing too many fonts. Keep alignment consistent, either left-aligned or center-aligned. Maintain equal spacing between sections. You can select multiple elements, click Position, then use Align or Tidy Up to automatically fix spacing and alignment. Clean spacing makes a huge difference. For a premium look, add subtle text effects. Click on any text box and select Effects from the top menu. Try Shadow for depth, Lift for a soft elevation effect, Glow for emphasis, or Background to add a highlight behind the text. Keep effects subtle. The goal is enhancement, not distraction. Finally, export in the highest quality. Click Share, then Download. If you're printing your poster, choose PDF print. If available, select the CMYK color profile for better print accuracy and tick crop marks and bleed if your print shop requires it. For digital use, choose PNG for the sharpest quality or JPEG for a smaller file size. And that's how to design posters in Canva like a pro. Start with the right size, use a strong template, apply hierarchy, keep your colors consistent, and export correctly. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Canva tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.